In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the PDF measuring tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro if you have ever needed to measure distances or areas directly on your PDF documents. This tool is going to be incredibly useful for tasks like reviewing blueprints or floor plans. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro and select the PDF you wish to work with. Once your document is open, head to the Tools menu and select Measure. This action will open a small measuring toolbar on your screen. If the toolbar doesn't appear automatically, you can simply right-click in any toolbar area and choose Show Measuring Toolbar. This ensures that you have easy access to all the measuring functionalities. Now on to selecting the type of measurement you need. The measuring toolbar offers three distinct tools: the distance tool for measuring straight lines, the perimeter tool for measuring around edges or multiple connected points, and the area tool for calculating the size of a region or shape. Choosing the correct tool is vital in obtaining accurate measurements for your task, so select the one that fits your requirement best. Once you have your tool ready, it's time to measure. Click once on your document where you wish to start measuring, drag your mouse to your desired endpoint, and click again to complete the measurement. This maneuver will generate a measurement label that appears on your document automatically, showing you the data you need instantly. For those working with blueprints or floor plans, setting the correct scale is crucial. To ensure that the measurements translate to real-world sizes, right-click on the measurement you've just taken and select Change Scale Ratio. Input the scale as printed on your drawing. For example, 1 inch equals 5 feet. This step is essential for ensuring that your digital measurements match the actual sizes. If you'd like to personalize or adjust the appearance of your measurements, this can be easily achieved. Right-click on any measurement and choose Properties. Here you have the ability to modify parameters like line color, thickness, text size, and units of measurement, such as inches or millimeters. If you wish to maintain these settings for future use, simply check the Make Properties Default option to save your preferences. Using the PDF measuring tool in Acrobat Pro is a straightforward yet powerful way to engage with and analyze your documents. Whether you're adjusting scales for accuracy or customizing the look of your notes, this tool offers flexibility and precision, making it an invaluable asset for your PDF tasks. Happy measuring!